The network was slow, users were complaining, video calls were freezing, file transfers were crawling, AI monitoring reacted instantly, network congestion dictated, dashboard turned red, alert escalated to critical. The system recommended traffic shaping, bandwidth upgrades, and immediate action. But the engineer didn't follow the recommendation. Something didn't add up because the model didn't have the full picture. From the AI's perspective, everything made sense. Packet loss was increasing. Latency was unstable. Throughput was inconsistent. These are classic congestion systems. So the system did what it was designed to do. It correlated metrics, analyzed historical trends, and concluded network congestion. On paper, this was a perfect diagnosis, but there was one problem. The AI only saw symptoms, not the cause. Instead of ordering more bandwidth, instead of rerouting traffic, the engineer did something simple. They checked layer 1. Interface counters, CLC errors, and collisions. And that's when they saw it. One side of the link was running full duplex. The other side was running half duplex. A duplex mismatch. No congestion, no traffic overload. Just two devices speaking different rules. Duplex mismatch is one of the most deceptive problems in networking because the symptoms are brutal. Collisions, retransmissions, packet loss, and latency spikes. To monitoring tools, this looks exactly like congestion. But it's not a capacity problem. It's a communication problem. One side talks, the other interrupts. Imagine two people. One thinks it's a conversation. The other thinks it's a debate. Both are talking. No one is listening. The engineer fixed the duplex settings. Full duplex on both sides. Auto negotiation aligned. And instantly, latency normalized. Packet loss dropped to 0. Performance returned. No bandwidth upgrades. No expensive hardware. Just correct configuration. The AI wasn't stupid. It did exactly what it was trained to do. It analyzed patterns. It detected anomalies. It flagged symptoms. But it lacked environmental context. It didn't understand duplex, physical links, and misconfiguration. Only a human understood the environment the data came from. That is why AI detects problems. Engineers understand systems. If you're learning IT or networking, remember this. The real skill isn't memorizing tools. It's thinking in layers. Before blaming traffic, check the cable. Before blaming software, check the interface. AI is powerful, but fundamentals are foundational. Tools detect patterns. Engineers understand systems. Because strong engineers don't fight symptoms, they find causes. So next time AI tells you the network is congested, don't panic. Ask, what layer is this really? Because in real networking, the biggest breakthroughs come from simple checks, calm thinking, and human judgment. Subscribe for real-world IT stories where fundamentals matter and humans stay in control. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.